talking about certain fashion emergencies and their solutions. Sometimes what happens, you're drinking, you're in a party and क्या होता है, red wine गिर जाती है. So to remove that stain, it is very difficult to remove it with a normal detergent because red wine का stain जाता नहीं है. So to remove the stain of red wine, what you can do is, red wine गिरी है तो उसके ऊपर white wine डालो और उससे वो stain निकल जाएगा. Just keep it there for a while and then wash it off. Your stain will go. लंबे बाल हैं और अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम हो रही है कि आपके बाल बहुत चिपक रहे हैं या फ्लैट हो रहे हैं, your hair are just getting flat and no bounce, what you can do is that go buy a dry shampoo. तो बालों को नीचे करो, पूरे बालों में ड्राई शैम्पू डालो, स्प्रे इट ऑफ एंड देन मसाज इट ऑन द रूट्स एंड बैक. योर हेयर विल बी फाइन. यू विल नॉट गेट द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ फ्लैटनिंग. योर हेयर विल हैव दैट नेचुरल बाउंस. फॉर माई गर्ल्स, व्हेन योर मेकअप स्मज, कभी कभी क्या होता है, व्हेन यू अप्लाइंग अ eyeliner और an eye shade or something and the makeup smudges, जैसे यहाँ लगा ना, यहाँ गिर गया. What will you do? If you will apply a makeup remover at that place, तो वो पूरा मेकअप निकाल देगा and then you'll again have to reapply the makeup and fill in the place. So then what you can do, just to remove that one stain, one patch of makeup which is undesirable at your face, just take a makeup primer and put the primer on that place and wipe it off. So what the primer will do, primer will take off the layer which is not required and the base makeup will stay intact. So that ways you will save the time on putting on the makeup again and you will just remove the stain from your face of the undesirable makeup and it will be quicker and faster and you will not even have this unnecessary problem of reapplying the makeup again. Okay, now if you have oil stain on your garment, put salt on it. जब कभी oily खाना कुछ गिर जाता है, quickly put some salt on it. Salt will absorb all the oils and your garment will become nicer and obviously you can wash it off, then the stain will go. So till then, bye, see you tomorrow.